Welcome to Chitchat English Sentence Structure. Do you want to improve your English? Do you want to speak English more confidently? Do you want these results as fast as possible? If you want to improve your English speaking and writing practice every day with this channel, please get my online English lesson slide below. This video, we're going to teach you the best ways to build perfect common advanced verb phrases, expressions, idioms, and phrasal verbs of everyday English speaking practice from letter A to Z. This unit is based on definitions and examples from beginner to advanced lessons with the best 20 multiple choice questions and answers. Watch the video's slide many times to remember and use it more easily and confidently. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe this video to support the channel. Let's improve English speaking and writing skills together. This video will help you to practice more clearly in English. Let's get started. Unit 85, Group Letter L. This video slide has two parts to help you practice more confidently. Part 1, Mastering to Lose Expressions in English. Part 2 has got 20 quiz questions with multiple choice answers. Let's look at each part below. Part 1, Mastering to Lose, Expressing Loss in Different Contexts. This unit focuses on verb phrases with to lose, exploring how they are used to describe loss in various emotional, physical, and social situations. You will learn both literal and figurative meanings to better understand how to use these phrases naturally in conversation. Number 1, to lose confidence. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to no longer believe in one's abilities or in someone else's. Example 1. She began to lose confidence after failing the test twice. Example 2. He lost confidence in the project's success. Number 2. To lose one's good looks equals to lose one's teeth. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to no longer be physically attractive, humorous, or literal with teeth. Example 1. He's getting older but hasn't lost his good looks. Example 2. After the accident, she lost 2 teeth. Number 3. To lose one's grip on the situation. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to fail to control or manage something effectively. Example 1. The teacher lost her grip on the noisy class. Example 2. The company lost its grip on the market. Number 4. To lose one's hair. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to become bald. Example 1. He started losing his hair in his early 30s. Example 2. Stress can cause people to lose hair. Number 5. To lose one's heart to somebody. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to fall deeply in love with someone. Example 1. She lost her heart to a young musician. Example 2. He lost his heart to her the moment they met. Number 6. To lose one's life. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to die. Example 1. Many soldiers lost their lives in the war. Example 2. He nearly lost his life in the accident. Number 7. To lose one's patience. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to become unable to remain calm. Example 1. She lost her patience with a slow computer. Example 2. Don't lose your patience with the kids. Number 8. To lose one's right leg. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to have one's right leg amputated or severely injured. Example 1. He lost his right leg in a car crash. Example 2. The soldier lost his right leg during battle. Number 9. To lose prestige for something/somebody. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to lose respect, status, or reputation. Example 1. The scandal caused the company to lose prestige. Example 2. She lost prestige after making false claims. Number 10. To lose the confidence in somebody. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to stop trusting someone. Example 1. The voters lost confidence in their leader. Example 2. I lost confidence in him after he lied. Number 11. To lose touch with somebody. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to stop communicating with someone. Example 1. I lost touch with my college friends. Example 2. She lost touch with her cousins after moving abroad. Number 12. To lose touch with something. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to stop being familiar or up to date with something. Example 1. He lost touch with the latest technology. Example 2. She lost touch with the fashion trends. Number 13. To lose your mind. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to become insane or extremely irrational. Example 1. I thought I was losing my mind from stress. Example 2. She nearly lost her mind when her dog went missing. Number 14. Loss of memory. Part of speech, noun phrase. Meaning, inability to remember events, often due to injury or illness. Example 1. The accident caused a loss of memory. Example 2. Stress can sometimes lead to a temporary loss of memory. Number 15. To look round hastily. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to quickly turn one's head to look around. Example 1. She looked round hastily when she heard the noise. Example 2. He looked round hastily as the door slammed. Part 2. 20 multiple choice with 20 answers. To test your understanding of both the literal and idiomatic meanings of to lose expressions and ensure you can choose the correct phrase for different situations. To answer the multiple choice questions, we will give you a few minutes to re-watch the video's slide step by step and answer it carefully. Let's get started together. Number 1. After failing 3 interviews, she began to A. Lose her heart. B. Lose confidence. C. Lose her life. Letter B. Number 2. Many actors worry they will, as they age, A. Lose touch. B. Lose their good looks. C. Lose patience. Letter B. Number 3. The manager shouted, showing he had, with the staff, A. Lost grip. B. Lost his patience. C. Lost confidence. Letter B. Number 4. After the illness, he started to rapidly. A. Lose touch. B. Lose hair. C. Lose mind. Letter B. Number 5. She instantly to the charming stranger. A. Lost her heart. B. Lost her life. C. Lost touch. Letter A. Number 6. The brave firefighter almost in a rescue attempt. A. Lost his life. B. Lost touch. C. Lost his patience. Letter A. Number 7. When the printer jammed for the 5th time today. A. Lost my patience. B. Lost my grip. C. Lost my hair. Letter A. Number 8. The soldier tragically, during combat. A. Lost his prestige. B. Lost his right leg. C. Lost his touch. Letter B. Number 9. The company began to, after the product failure. A. Lose prestige. B. Lose touch. C. Lose hair. Letter A. No. 10. People. Their leader after repeated scandals. A. Lost confidence in. B. Lost patience with. C. Lost hair on. Letter A. Number 11. I regret that my best friend after school. A. Lost touch with. B. Lost heart to. C. Lost prestige for. Letter A. Number 12. Since moving to the countryside, he is modern life. A. Lost touch with. B. Lost patience with. C. Lost his right leg. Letter A. Number 13. After days without sleep, I thought I was going A. Lose my mind. B. Lose prestige. C. Lose my right leg. Letter A. Number 14. The accident caused a severe A. Loss of memory. B. Lose touch. C. Lose hair. Letter A. No. 15. During the crisis, the leader began to on the situation. A. Lose grip. B. Lose his grip. C. Lose his heart. Letter B. Number 16. He didn't want it, so he kept working hard. A. Lose his good looks. B. Lose confidence. C. Lose his patience. Letter B. Number 17. The romantic movie made her completely to the main character. A. Lose her mind. B. Lose her heart. C. Lose touch. Letter B. Number 18. Political scandals can make leaders and their voters A. Lose touch. B. Lose confidence. C. Lose the confidence. Letter C. Number 19. When a market changed, the company slowly its position. A. Lost its grip. B. Lost its hair. C. Lost its heart. Letter A. Number 20. Old age sometimes brings a slow. A. Lose hair. B. Loss of memory. C. Loss of grip. Letter B.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe.